Pennfield Corporation versus Meadow Valley Electric considered theories of alternative liability against the backdrop of a catastrophe at a swine farm. Pennfield hired Meadow Valley Electric to install an electrical ventilation system in a shelter at its pig farm. This system malfunctioned and over 1,500 swine suffocated. Pennfield sued Meadow Valley, alleging that the electrical system was defectively installed. Meadow Valley filed its own complaint, joining York Electrical Supply Company and Tri-State Electrical Supply Company. It alleged that one of them had sold it defective electrical cables. York filed preliminary objections and asked for a demurrer, seeking dismissal of the claim against it. It argued that to make out a cause of action in strict liability, negligence, or breach of warranty, Meadow Valley had to identify which of the two electrical supply companies had sold it the defective cable. The trial court dismissed York from the case. Meadow Valley appealed to the Pennsylvania Superior Court. It argued that under the alternative liability theory of liability, York bore the burden of proving that it hadn't caused the harm.